हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, द एलसीआर रिप्रेजेंट्स द फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज इंडक्टेंस, कैपेसिटेंस एंड रेजिस्टेंस रिस्पेक्टिवली, द कॉम्बिनेशंस व्हिच हैव द डायमेंशंस ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट। सो सी द फ्रीक्वेंसी हैज द यूनिट ऑफ 1 अपॉन x, राइट। यू कैन से if has the unit frequency is 1 upon s here. So all I need to find out, or you can say like it will have the dimension of t inverse. Okay, so all I need to find out in which of, right, in which of these options which have the same dimension, or you can say right, in which of these options the unit will become 1 upon s. So let us see, right, option A. As you know, in RC circuit the time constant is, right, right, the time constant is RC, right, in case of RC circuit, right. So since the time constant is RC, so this will have the unit of second. So I can say from here 1 upon RC will be equal to 1 upon S. So here the dimension will be T inverse once again. So this will become T inverse. So A option is coming correct. It will have the same dimension as the frequency, because the frequency is also 1 upon second and the 1 upon RC is also 1 upon second. So A option is correct. Right, let us go to the option B now here. Okay, so as you know, in the LR circuit, right, in LR circuit, right, once again the time constant is L upon R. Okay, so since the time constant is L upon R, so L upon R will have the unit of second. So from here I can say R upon L. If I take the inverse from both sides, so R upon L will become 1 upon S. So once again, right, the unit of R upon L is 1 upon S, or you can say like it will have the dimension of T raised to power minus 1. So R upon L is also having the same dimension as the frequency. So option B is also correct. Okay, so let us go, right. So now let us see the option C now. See, right, in the option C, as you all know, in LCR circuit, the, right, the resonant frequency, right, you can say like the resonant frequency, right, the resonance frequency is equal to 1 upon LC root. So the resonance frequency is nothing but omega, right? Or you can say like omega, right? If I call this as omega naught here, so omega naught, that is resonance frequency, that is 1 upon LC root. And as if, right, as you all know, the omega has the frequency, right? Omega has the unit of 1 upon second. Okay, because omega is the angular frequency and it will have the unit as 1 upon second. So this will also have the dimension of T raised to power minus 1. So see, option C is also having the same dimension as the frequency. So right, A, B, C is correct. Option D will not be there because 1 upon LC root is coming 1 upon second. So this will obviously won't come. Okay, so D is wrong here. So A, B, C are the correct options. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.